if we want to solve some string related problem in C programming language, then first of all I need to make sure that I am writing my C template, or you can say the boilerplate for the C programming language correctly. And for that is, first of all, I need to provide my header file. So include stdio.h, and then my main function goes here, which is integer main. The code execution process starts from the main function, and at the end of our main function we can add return 0. All right, so here we need to provide our code. Let's say I want to print something. So for printing something, I need to use the print function, which is printf. So the printf function, and I shouldn't forget that whenever I use any statement, I have to make sure that I am putting the semicolon to indicate the end of that statement. All right, now whatever I want to print in the output, or you can see in the console window, I can simply provide that here in this double quotation. So we can say that whatever we write inside these two double quotations, we would get exactly like that in the output. Let's say I want to write hello world. Now if I simply run this, I would get this exactly as I have written here, and that is hello world. All right, moreover, if I want to print something intriguing, like I want to print some word, some random word, and I want to print some random value, or you can say, yeah, I can also print some random symbol operator. All of them would be considered as a single string. That means all of these letters, characters, and the symbols will be considered as a joint single string. Now if I simply run this, then I would get this exactly as it is, like here. Now there might be some difference in some symbol, like this mod symbol. We need to provide a backslash for it to print like this. If we want to print this mod symbol, then we need to use a backslash before it, and therefore it would understand that we need to print this mod symbol like this. The backslash won't get printed here, only the special symbol after the backslash would get printed here like this. And let's say I want to print this in the first line, and then I need to print this in the second line. So what I can do, I can use the new line character, which is /n, and what it would do, after printing this portion of the statement, it would generate a new line, and in that new line I would get this entire rest of the string. Let's see, if I simply run this code, well, I can simply do it manually like this. You can see it, right? After printing this portion of the statement, I am getting a new line because I have used a /n here to indicate a new line character. So in the next new line, I am printing the rest of the string. And now if I want to do it like this, after printing this statement, I want a new line. All right, and after printing this, I want another new line, and after printing these, I want 3 more new lines. So for getting 3 more new lines, I need to add 3 more /n like this. Now if I simply run this, then you see I'm getting what I wanted. First of all, I printed this part of the string, here it is, and then I'm getting a new line. This is the new line, and then I'm printing this. Then I'm getting another new line, and in that new line I'm printing this. And then I'm getting 3 more new lines here, and then I'm simply printing this. So that's how we write any type of print statement in C programming language.